Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul and I hope that you will join me. The Dollar Tree by my home was restocking all the Easter goodies, so I got a chance to buy some more stuff. So look at this. This is an egg wreath form. Isn't that cute? So it says it's 11.8 inches and they mean the across right here on the egg. But up and down, top to bottom, is about 15 inches. So I picked up two of these. I thought it would be fun to work with this form. So I got two of those. And then look, I found some fuzzy eggs at Dollar Tree. And they're ornaments. So you can always just cut the ribbon off if you don't want to use it as an ornament. These are the only two I found. I'm not sure exactly what colors they have available in the fuzzy form, but I will keep a watch out. You never know, right? I might find some more. So I got these two, and then these are about, I don't know, I'm guessing here about 5 inches tall and 4 inches across. Somewhere like that. But cute, right? I like those. And I found some more of these sequin eggs. Yeah, I recently did my Easter wreath, and then when I was looking at it, I'm like, I need one more egg. Hopefully you saw that wreath. But I'm like, I think I need one more egg. So I found my one egg, and then they had 2 packages left. So I went ahead and picked up both of them. I like these sequin eggs. They're really cute. It's got that iridescent sequins on there. I like those. So my reason for going to Dollar Tree this week was to search for gold eggs. So one store I went to, they had these ones. They're like metallic. See? It's like got a matte finish. I like these. They're really cute. They are ornaments also, but you know, you can always trim the ribbon off. And here's the purple one. And a blue one. Aren't they nice? I like them. So cute. Yeah, I love eggs. So I picked up 4 bags. I'm going to add that to my collection of eggs. And then I found this one too, look. And then these are just Easter eggs, and you get 6 eggs. These eggs are a little larger. And these are metallic, shiny eggs. So look how large that is. It is about 3 inches long by maybe 2 inches across. But look, you get the shiny orange. You get a pink one. You get a green one. I like that green one. So cute. You get the aqua colored egg or teal. And then you have the fuchsia one. Look at that one. Or it could be considered purple. I don't know. Let me see. Here's purple. I guess it is purple. Depending how you look at it. Because see, this is the pink. So I guess that would be purple. And then here's the gold egg. So I was after the gold egg. I needed some gold eggs for a project. And this one store I went to, they had these shiny Metallica ones. And then I went to another store and found these matted ones. And then I was like, let me get that one because I don't know which one I want. So, and I needed more than one gold egg. And you see the package, you only get 1 gold egg, right? So I picked up 6 bags of these. So I can have 6 large eggs. I like those. So cute. I'm still undecided which egg I want. So, and then at another store, I found this. Look. You get 6 golden eggs. And they're shiny too, look. So these are small though. You see the size difference? So, yeah. I mean, I need to make a decision. Do I want to use the small one or do I want a large one? Or do I want the shiny one or the matted one? Decisions, right? But they're adorable. I love all these eggs. They're so cute. All right, now, I think I have enough eggs for the season. I believe I'm done shopping for eggs. I also found these new yarns. It's called Dream Chanel. It's a little interesting texture on these things. It's like a really soft, fuzzy. So it looks like it's sewed on one side and then it's just fluffy on the other end. But how cute, right? I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with it. Maybe make some tassels. I don't know. So I found it in the color Cupid. And I believe this one's white. No, this one is called Lily. And then these are the only 2 colors I found. And then let me show you what else I picked up. Look at this. It's a sewing doll kit. So Dollar Trees has a bunch of new cute crafting kits coming out. So I like this one, so I picked this one up. And they're all by Crafter Square. And that's what it looks like. And everything you need to assemble the little panda is in here. I like it. So cute. So I picked it up in the panda, the llama. Llama, I picked up 2 of them because it's just so adorable. And then I picked up 2 owls. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? I went to see if they have it more available at another store because I want another panda so I can have 2 pandas. But there are different kits available in this collection. Don't ask me what it was. I don't know at the moment. I forget. So they had, I will believe, 4 different types of kits going on at the one store I went to. So they had this one, these, the doll kits. They also had the needle felting fruits. Oh, those are gorgeous too if you want to make some fruits. And then they had, let me think for a minute here. They had an embroidery ones too with all new images. Now, I didn't look at the kit itself, so I don't know if it came with the little hoops, but they have some gorgeous ones. They also have another kit where you can make keychains. I'm like, oh my gosh, Dollar Tree's like bringing out all kinds of goodies. But this is what I decided to bring home with me though. The llama, the owls, and the panda. They're so adorable. I love the panda too. Just cute, right? The last item I picked up is this tissue paper and it's in the color purple. You get 10 sheets. They are 20 by 20 inches, but there are 2 shades you get, like the faded purple and then the vibrant purple colors. So I needed some of this purple tissue paper for my romantic junk journal, so I was happy to find it. And it is by Greenbrier, in case you're wondering. Well, I hope that you find what you're looking for the next time you go to Dollar Tree. That you find everything you're looking for. That you find everything on your wish list. If you guys need eggs, now's the time to go to Dollar Tree. Stock up before they run out. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.